We've got a special type of series that we're going to talk about right now, and it's called a p-series. So if you've got a series that's in this sort of form here, where you're taking the sum of 1 over n to the p, where p is some value, some constant, then you have what is known as a p-series. And in your notes or in the book somewhere, it also lets you know when this p-series is going to converge. So let's take a couple just general ones. So let's do the sum n equals 1 to infinity. Let's draw that a little better. Of 1 over just n. So we'll say here p is 1. So according to this, it's going to diverge. But what happens is this is going to be 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 and so forth. All right, so it diverges, and it's actually on the cusp of the diverging one. So it's right between where it diverges and where it converges. So here it's just not quite it's not decreasing enough. The denominator is not decreasing enough to have it converge. Whereas conversely, that's 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 2 squared is 4 plus 1 over 3 squared is 9 plus 1 over 16 and so forth. So these are decreasing fast enough, and again, there's an exponential there. It's decreasing fast enough with which we will converge to a given value. All right, so let's try to put this to the test. We want to put this next problem in the form of 1 over n to some value p. They say express the following sums as p-series and determine whether they converge. So here we're given this hint, which we'll use. So we're going to say this equals the sum as n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n to the ln of 2. Well, this is a p-series where p equals the ln of 2. So we have to determine what the deal is as far as which we're going to do, converge or diverge. Well, E equals about 2.71 and stuff, right? And we know that ln of E equals 1 because that's what we have here. So that's 1. We're going to have 2. We have 3. E is about here. So that's going to be 1. That's about where we meet. ln of E is 1. So anywhere between ln of, well, I guess we can't have 0 clearly, but anywhere else we're going to have an issue. So what we have here, so we know ln of 2 is strictly less than ln of E, which equals 1. Therefore, ln of 2 is less than 1. And that means, given what we have up here, it's less than or equal to 1, it's going to diverge. Therefore, our series diverges.